Welcome to our video on Rise Above Hate. In a world where negativity and hatred can often seem overwhelming, we have the power to choose a different path. Hate can divide us, but love brings us together. Every day we have the choice to spread kindness, empathy, and understanding. It's the small acts of love that make the biggest impact. Standing up against hate takes courage. It means speaking out when we see injustice, supporting those who are hurt, and promoting unity in our communities. Together we can create a world where love triumphs over hate. Let's build bridges, not walls. Let's celebrate our differences and find strength in our diversity. When we come together and support one another, we create a stronger, more compassionate world. Remember, choosing love over hate begins with us. Take a moment to reflect on how you can bring more love into the world. Let go of anger and resentment and embrace compassion and forgiveness. Thank you for watching. Let love be your guide, and remember, in a world filled with hate, choose to rise above it. Spread love and make a difference. Together, we can create a brighter future for all.